Hi guys, it is CyberGeek back with the seventh video of the Python video series. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very basic calculator using Python. So all we have to get is two numbers from the user and then print the answer on the screen. By doing this we get some practice about getting inputs from the user. So the first thing we have to do is create two variables, and then inside them we need to store the numbers that the user wants to add together. So first we create two variables. This is n1. So we need to take the input from the user, then input and the parentheses to number one. Second variable, two. And then we should use, so as we should print the answer onto the screen. So we'll take a variable as result, the two numbers, to print the result. Let's see what's happening. So when we run the program, we are getting into number one. Let's say 12 set 1.3. So as you can see, we are getting 1010 as the answer. So unfortunately, that is not the answer that we were looking for. It definitely is not 1210.3 when we are 12 plus 10.3. And here what happened is, when we get the input from the user, by default Python is just converting it to a string. Python will always will be like, okay, this is a string, but as we need to add decimal values, this doesn't help us. So in order to make this right, we should convert the strings to numbers. We can do this in two ways. The first way is we can add int in front of this, open parentheses and close parentheses, and same with the second integer. Then when we run it, let's see, two, so we are getting the correct answer. So let's try a decimal. But here, as you can see, we are getting an error which breaks the program, because when we put the function int, it only states whole numbers, so we can't add decimal numbers. So as a solution for this, we can use float instead of int. And then now let's try adding two decimal numbers. So that works. Let's try on whole numbers as well. So you can see that works as well. So that's the beauty of the float function. And also I think using float function instead of int function will be more beneficial for the user. So that's all with this video. See you guys in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe my channel, Cybergeek, and like and share this video. Cybergeek signing out.